It's 4:05 a.m.
Good morning, guys. It is 5:25 roughly. Getting ready to head out, meet up with one of my good friends, Chris. We're gonna go try to get him a bird today. He pulled a 8-week tag, so we're gonna go see if we can go get it done for him. It's early, I'm tired, but we're gonna go see if we can go try to find some birds real quick. Tough morning so far. Tough morning. Alright guys, we were just passing a field. Saw Tom and like 6 hens, right? Maybe another Jake or something in there. We're gonna see if we can sneak up to them. They're working their way towards our road right now, but hopefully they'll come back into this section of woods here. So we're gonna see if we can sneak up on them. I'm thinking I'll crawl out, try to put the decoy out there, maybe slide the lay down hen, and we'll sit up. I'm guessing probably cross-legged, yeah, right behind that. So once they come across, just
couldn't get a freaking shot for the longest. Let's freaking go. Yes. Dude, look at the Jake. The Jake's still right here. Oh, that's a hen. The Jake took off. There's a Jake. Oh, shit, dude. That's awesome. That was intense, dude.
There's 2 Jakes.
Yeah. It's the Gobbler. Look at him. It's a shame somebody else ain't here to double up.
I know.
Doesn't know what just happened.
What just happened, baby?
Let's go. Let's go, dude.
Let's go see this bird, dude.
Let's freaking back. I just want to see what he does. I want to see if he goes beats him up. Look at the Jake's still right there. Doesn't know what's going on.
They're still gobbling.
Yeah, I know. They don't know what happened. I don't want to spook him off too bad, and we'll come back there next week. Dude, he came up. I first thought he was the Gobbler, and then I seen him strutting the one far right. I was like, oh, let's go. 10 minutes, baby. That's all it took.
So I literally saw the 2 Jakes right here, like right here in front of us. Chris, I saw just 2 little red dots, dude. And they came right up here, and then when I stepped out, I saw the little beard. I was like, all right, Jake. But I saw the one strutting over here. I didn't see him at first.
I saw the Jake right here, and then I seen the strutter back there.
I saw these 2 first, and then I saw the strutter, and I was like, I'm hoping that you saw the strutter because I want to make sure you.
Oh yeah, I knew. You kept saying the one on the right. I'm like, I'm on.
Yeah, let's go see this thing.
That was awesome.
Windy day and we got it done. Good stuff. We still got 2 Jakes gobbling their heads off right now. Hold on.
Oh, there it goes, Thomas. Still doesn't know what's going on.
Completely confused. Let's go see this thing.
There we go. What we got?
Little rope back. You got a good one. Nice.
What was that? Probably more birds. The one took off that one.
Let's go, dude. Let's see them spurs.
Ooh, okay. That's a
Not bad, yeah.
That's a hook.
Nice bird.
One thing out, let's see. Nice, Chris.
That's awesome.
So tell us what happened. How did we get here?
Alright, so we started from this morning. We've been bouncing around spots, calling, nothing. I don't know if it was the wind that was affecting it or not, but just weren't getting any callbacks. So we went from our first spot, checked the spot out, didn't see any birds in it early this morning. Went to another spot, sign everywhere, just couldn't get anything to gobble. And had breakfast, came back, drove past here, seen this guy and a few other birds in the field over there. So we parked up, made a quick move all the way out to the field edge over there to set up on them.
That's where we had the hen come in on us.
Yeah, set up the decoys. And we saw him coming in, and all of a sudden he just stopped, cut in the woods somewhere. So we were getting ready to leave, and we decided, you know what, let's just set up here and see if maybe, we can get him to come. Did the decoy out, did a couple calls, and immediately started gobbling. And they came right in. I mean, we were only sitting there for 15, 20 minutes max.
Yeah.
And they came right in, perfect. So, I'm happy with it. This is the last day of period A, my first day out of the season. What more can you ask for? Time on the ground.
Got it done. And those birds went silent for a long time.
Yeah, they did. They were not.
We didn't get them to gobble at all at first.
So they were
until
right
we
here.
moved to the second spot.
Right here. I don't know if it's because they finally were able to hear us or what, but
I don't know, but it worked out, man.
right. I'm not mad. I'm not.
Let's go get some pictures, man. So as you saw, we were able to get it done today. Chris was able to pull the trigger on a really nice bird. Wound up being 10-inch beard. I believe it was 3/4 inch spurs and about 23 pounds. So pretty decent sized bird. And we lucked out today. We honestly did. It was really windy. It was a tough day to get out there today. It was just, the wind was brutal. The birds couldn't hear us. We couldn't hear them. Made it very difficult. Those who turkey hunt know that when it's windy out, it's hard because you can't hear them talk. They can't hear you. So we were pretty fortunate today to get it done. I think what helped us today with killing that bird, like Chris explained to you earlier, we saw these birds walking in the field with a bunch of hens. So we tried to make that move on them. But unfortunately, when a Tom and 2 Jakes are occupied with a bunch of hens, it's kind of hard to pull them in. But what I think is what helped us was, as those birds were working their way down the field edge towards us, we lost sight of them. And we actually had a random hen pop up in front of us in the decoys. I don't know where she came from, as you guys probably saw in the video. But they worked their way out towards us and then disappeared. So I think what happened was they worked into the woods that were behind us. And that's when we decided to make a move, because there's another field on the other side of that block of woods that they walked into. So essentially we kind of cut them off and set up in there, hoping that, you know, they would come funneling through there at some point and we'd be able to get a shot at them. But I think what happened was those hens trickled off out of that field, went into the woods to start going to nest for the day. Because about 15-20 minutes of sitting in there, they started gobbling, and all 3 of them closed a distance of about 100 yards in a matter of a minute or so. So it was pretty cool. But I think that's what really helped us, and those birds came in super close. I mean, right on our lap, so it was pretty cool. But anyway, that's going to conclude today's video. Thank you so much for watching, as always. And I'm going to continue trying to put out some good content for you. I'm up to bat next week for my B-Week tag, so hopefully I'll be able to squeeze the trigger. I think I'm going to be going out with my dad again on Monday, and then also as well as Friday, I believe I'm going to try to get out. So stay tuned, keep an eye on the next video, and thank you again for watching.